That means 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर। सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद ये वैल्यू आ रही है 13 हो जाएगी, कोई लाइट यहाँ पे नहीं आएगी और ये को फेस कर रही है। तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का 10 टू द पावर 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड और उस एम्बुलेंस की वेलोसिटी है vs।
y is equal to x square 5 units कुछ इस तरह से हो like this. Then we of hyperbola, it is this region. Y is equal to cos x. We shift this graph pi. So we have here 8 octants depending upon.
In my long journey of teaching physics, many times I had experienced that explaining certain principles used to be difficult due to issues of visualization and time constraint. To overcome the limitations of the board teaching, I started using animations in my PowerPoint presentations. I used PowerPoint to avoid writing and use the time in discussion of the concepts. The course Learn with Videos is a curative product based on my experiences and my effort to make learning easy for all the students.
The best part of learning through these videos is that you can learn or revise concepts anytime, anywhere with unlimited attempts. The content flow is in accordance with my JEE Advanced books. So if you have bought Cengage JEE Advanced books and are unable to understand any concept by merely reading from the book, then you can watch that particular concept video on Cengage Digital app and understand it with ease. Times vector E. Okay. I strongly believe that the best way of teaching is the board teaching. I have used the same in my videos but have given the new dimension to it. I have used black background which is less stressful to the eyes, particularly during long sessions. While teaching, I am writing on the board facing you and not obstructing the view of the writer. This makes the class more interactive and engaging. Also, I have used animations where required, which make the subject interesting and easily understand.
Physics is the subject requires logical reasoning and high imagination of brain. For making concepts clear, in-depth interactive discussions and animations are required. I use PowerPoint style of teaching with embedded animations and interactive discussions to achieve the aim of explaining the topic easily to the student.
In and all, I have developed 650 videos of approximately 350 hours.
Total duration of all modules is approximately 535 hours and total number of videos are approximately 1600.